roar from the crowd as Echenique gets Venezuela on the board first. Aguiar, spin move off the window and in. What a move by Mauricio Aguiar. 33 seconds to play in the first quarter. Pass nice zipped underneath, now out to Batista. Aguiar for three, and that's good. And Uruguay on top by 6. Here's Vargas. Gregory Vargas for the lead, he got it!
Ooh, beautiful pass.
And that quiets the crowd. Vargas for 3, airballed, Colmenares saves it. And then at the buzzer, Cubalon hits. Dunk by Calfani. Colmenares down low to Gretterol. 2-1, Cubalon for 3, and that's good! Barthélemy for 3, that's good! And Venezuela starting to pull away from Uruguay. Venezuela play for gold tomorrow night against Brazil at 7:30.